test on meiosis tomorrow?
What the hell? I don't even have a science class.
Oh, well, let me tell you a little something about meiosis anyway. Now that's better and just, oh no!
There you go, now you have some clothes on you.
Yeah, he does. Well, now that business is out of the order, would you like to learn about mitosis now, Jake?
No.
Well...
The eukaryotic cell cycle often begins with interphase and ends with cytokinesis. This is how a cell reproduces, by dividing.
This process is called interphase. Interphase is a period of cell growth and normal cell activity, and it is not part of the mitotic stage.
After interphase comes prophase. Prophase begins with the condensation of the chromosomes. This is where the chromatin becomes visible. In prophase, the nuclear membrane breaks down or degrades. Homologous chromosomes are each made up of two sister chromatids that were replicated earlier on in interphase. This chromosome pairing is called a synapsis. At the end of prophase, the tiny nucleolus within the nucleus dissolves and disappears. The nucleolus starts moving towards the nuclear membrane at the beginning of prophase, and its disintegration occurs near the nuclear envelope. Its contents are dispersed in masses. Next up is metaphase. In metaphase, the centromeres of the homologous chromosomes convene themselves on the equatorial plate, or the metaphase plate, which is an imaginary line that is equidistant from the two centrosome poles. This is due to the counterbalance of the pulling powers generated by the opposing kinetochore microtubules. Metaphase accounts for approximately 4% of the cell cycle's duration. Only after chromosomes have become aligned at the metaphase place, when every kinetochore is properly attached to a bundle of microtubules, then the cell enter anaphase. So, you can see there are two...
You happy now, Jake?
What?
You know, mitosis. Cells dividing, phases, chromosomes.
What's a chromosome?
You don't know what a chromosome is? A chromosome is a thread-like structure of nucleic acid found in the nucleus of a cell, carrying genetic information, also called DNA.
Yeah, you dummy.
The splitting of the centrosomes start the next stage of mitosis, anaphase. In anaphase, the paired sister chromatids separate and begin moving to opposite poles of the cell. Spindle fibers not connected to the chromatid lengthen and elongate the cell. At the end of anaphase, each pole contains a complete compilation of chromosomes. Once the paired sister chromatids separate from one another, each is considered a full chromosome. They are now referred to as daughter chromosomes. Through the spindle apparatus, the daughter chromosomes move to the poles at the opposite ends of the cell. The daughter chromosomes migrate to the centromere first, and the fibers become shorter as the chromosome near a pole. In preparation for telophase, the two cell poles also move further apart during the course of anaphase. At the end of anaphase, each pole contains a complete compilation of chromosomes. The final stage of mitosis is called telophase. During telophase, the chromosomes become less dense and uncoils. Two new nuclear membranes form around each of the two regions of DNA, and the spindle fibers disappear. A nucleus starts to appear for each two regions of DNA. After these changes, telophase is largely almost complete, and the genetic contents of one cell have been divided equally into two. Cytokinesis. Cytokinesis is the splitting of the original cell's cytoplasm. Cytokinesis begins prior to the end of telophase. A cleavage furrow forms, and the cytoplasm divides in half. At the end of cytokinesis, two genetically identical daughter cells are produced.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So, mitosis is a type of cell division that results in two daughter cells, each having the same number of chromosomes as the parent. So, the stages of mitosis can be remembered as idiot, please make amazing twin children. And I stands for interphase, the P stands for prophase, the M stands for metaphase, and then the A stands for the anaphase, and T stands for telophase, and C is cytokinesis.
Well, Jake, I see you are just plumb out exhausted from learning about the wonders of mitosis. Now for our next lesson, the Krebs cycle.
Wait, what?
When heavens divide, I will see the choices with